control room.
Mike live on the track, boy.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your fave Dream coming to you with another wig review, and in this video I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I got from One More Hair. I'm also going to show you guys how I bleach my knots, but first, in the box came a beige stocking cap and a hair clip. I purchased a 30-inch loose deep wave wig with 13 by 6 inch frontal. This wig came with 4 combs and adjustable straps. They also put some lace in the back so your ponytail has a more realistic look. So here's the hairline. As you can see, there are some spots that look a little sparse, but that's okay because we're going to customize the hairline anyways. But look at these curls though. Doesn't this wig look super full? It doesn't even look like 180% dense. Like, if I didn't know better, I would say this is 250, girl. So here's a better view of the hairline, factory pre-plucked and unbleached. And the 13 by 6 inch parting is real, by the way. So now I'm going to show you guys how I bleach my knots. I take 3 caps of BW2 and mix it with 3 caps of Volume 40 Developer. I normally keep the bleach on the wig for about 5 minutes and then I rinse it with shampoo and conditioner. Now the knots are bleached and it's ready to install. I've had this wig on for over a week now. I like to wear the wigs for a couple of days before I give you guys my final reviews on the wig. And like, look at it. It's so pretty. Like, these curls, I can't get over these curls. Like, I did go ahead and thin out my baby hairs a little bit. The lace is beautiful. All in all, I will say get this wig. Every day that I've been rocking the wig, all I've had to do was go ahead and touch up my baby hairs and sprinkle some water on it so that it laid. It wasn't like fuzzy at the top. It doesn't really shed. It did shed a little bit in the beginning because I was doing a lot of plucking with it. And it did snag a little bit for those reasons as well. But now I can put my fingers through it and I'm not getting any shed. All I have in the wig is that mousse, my Lotta Body. I haven't put anything else besides the Lotta Body and the edge booster. What I did was I took the water and I sprayed it and I just like worked it in like that. Let me show y'all the back real fast. Like every night I put in a ponytail and I tie my edges down, and I put a satin bonnet cap on, and that's it. And the hair just been flourishing. Like, this hair is so pretty. Oh my goodness. You guys definitely go ahead and check out One More Hair. I'll leave all their information in the description box below. So that was it for the video. Let me know what you guys think about this wig in my comment box below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you've done that already, go ahead and click on that notification bell. I love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching this video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.